We've got the integral x cubed cosine x dx. This is a clear product with no seemingly easy u sub that we can do here. So I'm going to assume this is an integration by parts problem. We can start by letting u equal x cubed, and then the derivative of u would be 3x squared. dv equals cosine x, and then integrating to get v, we would end up with sine x. With integration by parts, we go across the top and then down over. That would give us x cubed sine x minus the integral, and we've got a 3 here, so we'll pop that out front, x squared sine x dx. We have another product here, so we'll do another integration by parts. And we'll start with u equals x squared. du then becomes 2x. Our dv in this case is sine x. And when we integrate that, we end up with negative cosine x as our v. Again, with integration by parts, we'll go across and then down over. So we'll end up with x cubed sine x from there. And then we will subtract 3 times negative x squared cosine x. The negative comes from here, cosine x, minus the integral. This negative comes into play once more as we add it here, and we put a 2 there out front to deal with this 2, x cosine x dx. We'll close the brackets there. And now we just have one more integration by parts pair here, so we can let u equal x. The derivative of u equals the derivative of x. Now dv equals cosine x, and v will simply equal sine x. So with integration by parts, again, we'll go across the top and then we'll go down over. So we've got x cubed sine x minus 3 times minus x squared cosine x plus 2 times now. We've got x times sine x, so x sine x minus the integral of sine x dx. We know that the integral of sine x is actually negative cosine x, but we have a negative here already, so we'll make that a positive. That is now a plus cosine x. And now we just need to distribute this 2, and then distribute the 3, and then we'll be ready to simplify and finalize. So we've got x cubed sine x minus 3 times minus x squared cosine x plus, and this is where we start distributing, 2x sine x, and then we have a positive cosine, so we'll do plus 2 cosine x. And remember, because this is an indefinite integral, we don't have any bounds, we must remember at this point to add a constant at the end. Now we just need to distribute this negative 3, and we should be at a point where we're almost done. So we've got x cubed sine x, and then minus 3 times minus x is plus 3x squared cosine x, and then we have minus 6x sine x minus 6x, minus 6 cosine x plus c. And that is the solution, the very long solution, to our integral, x cubed cosine x. If you have any other questions, or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems you want me to work through, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.